Hello. Monday has been turning progressively wetter in many places, with showers or longer spells of rain moving in from both the south and the west. And by the evening, this area of rain, which started as showers, is moving up through the Midlands into northern England, North Wales. Another area of showers follows from the south. So all in all, it's a wet evening, and it stays wet during the early hours as well. Rain in the west pushes into much of northern and central England as well. Clearer spells follow, but towards the end of the night, the wind really starts to pick up. And in fact, for the French, it's going to be a particularly strong wind. That's why they've named this area of low pressure Claudio, and it moves in from the southwest. It's going to cross the English Channel, and it's on the southern flank that you can see the strongest wind gusts exist. Now those colours correspond to the key there, and you can see across the Channel Islands into parts of northern France we're likely to see 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts in places, and along the southern English coast 60, and in one or two exposed spots 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So yellow warning in force. Could be a tricky start to Tuesday in the south and southeast corner, but the wind moderates a little as the main area of low pressure moves away, and it takes its rain with it. But it stays wet through the day across the Northern Isles, and quite quickly showers follow the rain. And for the southern half of the UK, those showers will be lively. They'll be coming in thick and fast, odd rumble of thunder as well, accompanied by this strong gusty wind, still reaching gale force around some exposed southern and southwestern coasts. Showers also for western Scotland, Northern Ireland. A little gap there for northern England, eastern Scotland. That's where the driest and brightest weather will be, although you wouldn't rule out the odd shower here as well. The very blustery weather continues on Tuesday night. Eventually, the most frequent showers become confined to western coasts, and we'll see drier and clearer skies further east. And then the winds also ease, so I think a colder night for many, although not desperately cold, but a contrast compared with the recent very mild nights, temperatures dipping into the single figures fairly widely. But although for many it's a bright start on Wednesday, we'll see the cloud thicken across Northern Ireland, outbreaks of rain moving in here, and then the wind really ramps up around western coasts, with the Irish Sea coast in particular likely to see wind gusts of 55 to 65 miles an hour. Again, a yellow warning in force here because of the disruption possible from that wind during Wednesday. And the spells of rain moving through Northern Ireland and Scotland, reaching northern and western England as well as Wales by the end of the afternoon. But East Anglia in the southeast, although it turns increasingly cloudy and breezy, will stay dry until the end of the day. 15 or 16 in the south, still a little above average for the time of year. 11 to 14 Celsius further north, and with that wind and the rain, not feeling very pleasant at all. Now, those spells of rain cross the country from the west during Wednesday night, but they'll be slow to clear the southeast during Thursday. It could be a wet day for East Anglia in the southeast. Blustery showers follow to the north and west, the weather staying changeable for the whole week. Bye-bye.